Hello everyone. Today we are taking the science of class 7 and in this video we discuss the chapter which is fiber to fabric presented by me Priya Singh. Now first of all we discuss which topic we are covered in this chapter. First of all, introduction, fiber from animals, wool from animals, wool yielding animals, rearing and breeding of sheep, process of obtaining wool from hair fiber of animals, silk and its history, life cycle of silkworm, processing of silk. In this chapter, we will discuss these few topics. Now, first of all, we are taking introduction. In this chapter, we will discuss about fiber to fabric. Just forget about fiber, just we are talking about fabric. You see different type of fabric in day-to-day life. First of all, we see cotton, silk, nylon, polyester, wool. We wear cotton clothes in summer because they make us feel cool. We wear woolen clothes in winter seasons because they give a warmth to our body. So we are using many type of clothes in our life. So do you think how that clothes are made up of, or how that clothes fabric is made up of? Let's see in this chapter. What is fiber? Fibers can be generally defined as the thread-like structures that are thin, long, and flexible strands. Basically, the fibers are obtained from animals as well as plants. There are two types of fibers. First of all, natural fibers and man-made fiber. Natural fibers, the fibers which are obtained from plants and animals are called as natural fibers. For example, jute, cotton, silk, wool, flax, etc. are a natural fiber because that fibers are obtained from nature. The man-made fibers, the fibers that are synthesized in laboratory are called as man-made fibers. For example, nylon, acryl, polyester, etc. are the man-made fiber. In this chapter, we mainly focus on natural fiber. Natural fibers are obtained from animals as well as from plants. From animals, what we obtain? Wool, silk, and from plants, what we obtain? Cotton, linen, etc. Fiber from animal. In this chapter, we discuss about wool and silk which is obtained from animal. Now the wool is the fiber obtained from sheep, goat, yak and camels. All these animals have a thick covering of hair which is shaved off to obtain a wool fibers. And how the silk is obtained? Silk is a natural fiber protein which is cultivated from the cocoon of mulberry silk larva. Wool from animals. First topic is wool. Wool comes from sheep, goat, yak and some other animals. These wool yielding animals bear hair on their body because hair keeps them warm and wool is derived from these hairy fibers. Wool is used to make various wool fabrics like woolen clothes, carpets, woolen sweaters, etc. These are the pictures of wool yielding animals. First one is camel, lambs, yak, silkworm, goat, sheep. Are the few images. You can see the animals have very thick layer in their body. Yielding animals. In list of wool yielding animals, first of all we discuss about yak. Yak is found in Ladakh, Tibet, Nepal and Sikkim in India and also other parts of world. The coat of yak is composed of three different type of fibers. That is the coarse, the mid-type and the down fiber. The property of yak fiber are soft, odd resistance and warmth. Its wool is used to preparing a rope, tent, bags, sweaters, etc. Next one is Angora goat. Angora goat is found in Turkey, Jammu and Kashmir in India. Angora goat produce a most luxurious fiber known as mohair. From a long time, these are bred for their white coat, but now breeding of the colored Angoras is promoted. Mo- Mohair is used in making carpet, winter hats, and suits, etc. Next one is Kashmiri goat, also known as a Kashmir goats, especially found in a Kashmir and China. The fiber of this goat is very fine texture, strong, light, and soft. Pure cashmere can be dried and spun into a yarn and knitted into sweater, hats, gloves, coat, jackets, etc. Fiber is also known as a pashmina for its use in a handloom shawls of a Kashmir known as a pashmina shawls. Now next one is alpaca. Alpaca is mostly found in South America. Its fiber is soft, durable, luxurious and silky in nature. Its fiber is warmer, water repellent and elastic in a nature. The fiber is used for a many purpose, including making clothes, for example, hat, gloves, sweaters. Wool is mostly obtained from sheep. Sheep are rare in many parts of India for getting wool. In this table, you can easily see the few sheep's breeds and quality of wool and state where these type of wools are found. Thank you.